In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hyperlink in Microsoft Forms. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. This step is crucial because you need to access the Microsoft Forms platform to create your hyperlink. As the search results load, look for the official Microsoft Forms link. It usually appears at the top of the page. Seeing the familiar Microsoft logo can reassure you that you are heading in the right direction. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. Once you click the link, you might be asked to enter your Microsoft account credentials. This can include your email and password. If you already have your account signed in, this step will be quick. Logging in is important because it ensures that your forms are securely saved under your account. You will see a dashboard or a home page with your forms once you are logged in. Now, open your existing or new form or quiz. If you've previously created a form, it will appear on your dashboard. You can click on it to edit. If you're starting from scratch, look for a button that says New Form or New Quiz. This step is essential because you need a space to insert your hyperlink. At this point, you will see a blank form or an existing one where you can add questions and sections. Next, click into any section title, section subtitle, or question description or subtitle text box. These text boxes allow you to add content to your form. When you click into one, it will become active and a blinking cursor will appear, indicating that you can type. This action is important because it is where you will insert your hyperlink. By selecting the right text box, you ensure that your hyperlink is placed exactly where you want it within the form. Now, paste the complete web address. Make sure to include the https prefix, for example, https://google.com. To paste, you can right-click and select Paste or use the keyboard shortcut, which is usually Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. This step is crucial because omitting the prefix may result in a broken link. When you paste the link, you should see the entire URL in the text box. Take a moment to double-check that the link is complete and accurate. After that, click outside the text box. This action will save your changes and allow you to see how the hyperlink looks within the form. When you preview or fill out the live form, respondents will see the link highlighted in blue and can click it directly. This is important because it makes the link easy for your respondents to identify and access. You can feel confident that your hyperlink is now functional and ready for use. With those steps completed, you are well on your way to enhancing your Microsoft Forms with hyperlinks. Adding hyperlinks can direct respondents to additional resources or information, making your forms more interactive and informative. You have successfully created a hyperlink, and your form is now equipped with that added functionality. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this feature helpful in your future forms.